Hello learners, hello teachers, hello friends. Thank you for choosing to tune into my channel. In this channel, I endeavor to teach English in an easy and simple way. English that you can use for everyday purposes or English for academic purposes. If you are new to this channel, kindly join us and watch to the end. I'm sure whatever we talk will be beneficial. In today's lesson, I'll talk about modal auxiliaries. What are modal auxiliaries? Modal auxiliaries are sometimes called modal verbs or modal auxiliary verbs. These are verbs that are considered helping verbs. Why am I saying this? They are helping verbs because they help the main verb. They help or support the main verb in order for a sentence to be more effective and more understandable. Modal auxiliaries, modal auxiliaries or modal verbs perform different functions in a sentence, or aptly put, they suggest or express different facts, wishes, orders, conditions, among other functions. In today's lesson, I'll delve into the main modal auxiliaries. Enjoy. You can take a notebook and write them down. May, might, shall, should, will, would, can, could, dare, need to, ought to, among others that I might not have said. If you like this kind of content, kindly give this video a like and look out for my other video that is coming out soon. In that video, I'll talk more about the different things that modal auxiliaries express or what they're used for in a sentence. Thank you and see you again. Bye.